Son, not again with the race motorcycle, huh? Don't you go out there. I don't want you to go out there. You know what racing the motorcycle costs? You know what racing costs? It can cost you your life. Worse, it can cost you someone else's life. But Dad, didn't you say go out there and do something real? I'm doing it, whether you believe in me or not.
Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a few pro tips on how to ride a motorcycle. So I think tip number one would probably be clutching when you're switching gear. When you're clutching, you don't have to like push on the clutch, pull on the clutch too much. Like even when you're downshifting, just pull in the clutch, downshift, and then let go of the clutch slowly. So when the clutch engage, it doesn't create that jerky motion. And when you're accelerating, you just basically give it a little bit of throttle and then let go of the clutch slowly, simultaneously, like how I'm doing so. Like that. See how I'm letting go of the clutch slowly, and then slowly release my legs, and we're off. And then you can see when I'm switching gears, I don't pull on the clutch for a long period of time. I just basically tap on it like that and then let go really quick. Always look twice behind you as well. Just make sure you're super aware of your surrounding, because this is real life. It's real life out here. Shit gets risky out here. And when you're braking, I would recommend using your rear brake and front brake, and give them the right amount of pressure. You know, don't slam on the brake or pull on it too hard. Just give the front brake and the rear brake the same amount of pressure to slow down, just like so. And always you can downshift at the same time. I hold on the clutch, downshift, brake at the same time. And then here we go, we take the turn and signal, switch lanes, and we're off. I'm still in second gear. Gotta watch out for those cars that always pull out in front of you. Try not to accelerate and go too fast, because you see that car just pull out in front of me? There's another one. If I was going fast, I would have been finished. It would have been like, finish him. Wasted. That's why out here in these busy streets, you don't want to go be speeding. There's people out here that can't see. They're driving around with fucked up visions. So, let's go. What's the next tips I can give you guys on riding a motorcycle? Oh yeah, when you're switching lane, stay all the way to the right, like how I am right now. I'm staying all the way to the right on the right lane, but all the way to the right side. Because if there's a car that is switching lane on the left lane and then switching to the right, like you never know you never know, like it's so unpredictable. They could just switch lane and not even see you. So just be super aware of that. Shit, turning on this corner. Clear. See, there was a car turning right there, but luckily I got ahead of time before his turn. But man, it's dangerous out here. Sheesh. Alright, signals on. Turning. And when you turn it, make sure you lean your body to the opposite side a little bit to balance out the motorcycle. That's how I did it right there. That was a smooth turn. I'll show you guys another example. When you're going around turn at fast speed, you want to turn and also give it a little bit of throttle so that way you won't lose grip. And always pay attention, like ahead of you. Don't pay attention to the road, but always look ahead. Like always look ahead, because usually, typically you would be like looking at the road in front of you, but I find that if you're focusing on the road, it's going to be hard for you to it's going to be hard for your body to like automatically lean with the motorcycle. I find it much more easy if you just look ahead and then your body just automatically lean with the momentum, or in other words, lean with the bike. Because you are one with the bike, my friend. You're one with the bike. And another tip is, when you're braking, try not to stay like too close to the car in front of you. See, I would be like probably, give it like maybe 3 car length, or maybe even 2. Don't be up on like that car's ass, Trying to stay a little bit further back, like that. But I'm turning right anyways. But anywho, just try not to be too close to the car in front of you, because if hypothetically, if there was a car behind you and they're like rear end you, there's a chance you could fly forward and hit the car in front of you. So just be aware of that as well.